camera went out just now. Okay, okay. All right. First of all, these are definitely really matte. They're drying really quickly, almost like nail polish. So this ain't, I can't rock this. This is a no. And she is a no as well. So that will be going into the giveaway pile. And we, because I look like, oh, maybe I'll keep it with Halloween. Halloween makeup. Halloween makeup. Anyway. Shit, what was that? On to the next, which are going to be a combo of different brands. So I have this NARS. This must have been a Sephora thing. This is a NARS Let's Go Crazy. And I'm going to compare it to this No Faux Pas matte lipstick from MAC. This came as a part of a set. This is actually brand new. Oh. I'll actually do the whole top lip. Or the whole lip. It feels so good. I think I can make this one work. I already know that this one's gonna be a good look, because with the right lip liner, it doesn't look too bright. This could work, so I'm gonna keep that. Look at that. I mean, I got no makeup on, y'all. And it's late at night. Do not judge this face. I can't be done all the time, but I like that. I really like how that felt on my lips. Go ahead, Mac. That was a deal too. I got that for a deal. The next hot pink I have is Prague from NYX. And it's their soft matte lip cream. Oh man. Uh-oh. Okay, I see it. Do y'all see a difference between this and the MAC that I just put on? Shoot. I feel like I can make this one work too. So I'm gonna keep this one. I think the MAC one is a slightly different tone, but this kind of looks better. Makes my skin look right. Like the hot pink makes my skin, makes my skin makes my teeth look extra white. Ha ha ha. I think I'm gonna keep that too. It feels good on my lips. Feels good. Why mess it up? It feels good. And my camera is starting to overheat, so I need to be quick. But I have this NARS. What is it called? Let's Go Crazy. I think this is a sample. Oh, this looks good too. Okay. I think I got some good hot pinks. I don't know. Do you think you can wear hot pink in the fall? I guess it's whatever you want to do. It's whatever you want to do. So, lovely friends, I'm going to cut it from here, let my camera charge, but I just wanted to show you those swatches of my hot pink collection. It looks like I'm going to be giving away 2 of the MAC ones. Perhaps you guys can make those work, or perhaps I'll donate them, either or. But stay tuned. I think the next one we're either going to go into like the nudes that I have or the browns that I have. I don't know. But let's talk to you soon. See you guys soon.
Don't judge me. I haven't clean off this lipstick. But I like what is, anyway, just wanted to show you guys my spaghetti. And I'm realizing like these seeds remind me of pumpkin, and it's fall. So it would be interesting to see. You could probably carve a spaghetti squash and paint it different colors. Probably, oh yeah, just like that. That's a good idea, y'all. Paint the spaghetti squash, face paint these, and you can get the same results as a pumpkin. the guts of it, try to just get all the seeds out. And then I just simply play it with coconut oil spray. Some people put salt and all of that. I don't, because I'm going to flavor it later with some sauce. And then I'm about to set it and forget it in the oven at 350 for about 70 minutes, because I like mine really, really soft. Really soft. But this is really, I always forget about this. This is a great low carb. It is hot. And I can bend it. So I know, that's how I know it's like done to like the capacity that I want it to be. Done is that I could do that. And then I'm going to pack it up, and figure out how I'm going to make my boyfriend eat it. How am I going to make him eat this? Because he is so anti-vegetables. But I'm hungry attack. I'm really not fasting. What do I want? I've been craving carbs. I need to stuff my face with something. What do y'all eat? Late night snack. I don't really want this sunflower seed. Oof, I see these juices. But I am being low carb. Ooh, you know, I know. It's like when I'm about to have a tablespoon or 2 of some almond butter. Ooh, that always hits my sweet spot. I actually broke out some pieces of my sunflower seed nut butter cookies. And that's hitting the spot. They actually taste better frozen. I think I'm about to put them back in the freezer.